trip. Off to find some food because we woke up so late. And then spoke to Kevin.
An American guy who met a really nice guy.
Yeah, really lovely guy from, what did he do?
What did he do? He was in the army.
Yeah.
He was a medic in the army.
We forgot about wanted a burger. Who's going to get a burger? Apparently the best burgers in Hikkaduwa.
Apparently so.
He's got his Aussie burger.
Aussie beach burger. Good
That was
buns,
really good.
British shaped buns. These.
That's good.
I'm going to go in my hands, I think. What's this sauce? It's too hot. It's fresh. It's good. Let that cool for a bit.
I have got the key. It doesn't pull shut though. We are...
You got money, yeah?
Yes. This is where we're staying actually. This view. It's cute. It's called the little Sea Lion guest house. It is cute. We are on our way to pick up our laundry. You very quickly run out of clothes. Before you know, it's 2 weeks and you haven't washed anything. And obviously when you live in our backpack, there's a lot of washing. Really cute little shops around here. It's very expensive, very touristy. Similar to Marissa really. Beautiful little beach town, but unfortunately we really haven't enjoyed the food and that here, and it's hard to pay that price for food. We don't like it. We need our laundry.
Where's the money?
Laundry's gonna cost us, how much is laundry? 3,000.
3,000.
So it's 400 rupees per kilogram. We've had 3.5 kilograms and I had 4. But yeah, we're gonna go try and find the man with the washing. We ate here when we got here a couple of days ago. We were desperate for a burger and the burgers are very, very good. And considering everything we've eaten here has been pretty bad, come back.
Just take a seat. It's going to be a while.
Missed half my hair. We just got back from having a burger. We've got our washing. And the man who does the washing, I need him to teach me how he folds. It's immaculate. It's better than what you see people fold clothes in a shop. Literally. Look at that. And it smells clean. Actually smells clean. This is possibly the best washing we've had done. Like even my dress. This dress is impossible to fold for me. It's just perfect. I was really impressed. I had to show you. Just showing everyone how good this man's folding is, and he needs to teach me how to fold this way. It's desperate for a wee, so I'm going to turn it off now. I'm going to hear some pee. Why do you never talk?
I'm in the video, and I.
We are on our way to Bentota. We left Hikkaduwa this morning. Had a very chilled couple of days. It was very nice. Nice beach. Missed Sri Lankan food. It's very touristy in Hikkaduwa. A bit disappointed with the food. But yeah, on our way to Bentota. This is one of our last trips with Uber. Which I don't know if we said before, we changed to tuk-tuk, Abu's name, to Uber, because it turns out that Abu is a very popular name amongst tuk-tuks due to the number plates on the gombo. But yeah, Uber goes back on the 18th, it's currently the 16th. This is stop number 21.
I'm deliberately not saying anything, just to wander up.
He always gets me to say where we're going and everything, so I said we could do one together.
Yeah.
How many kilometres have we done?
Nearly 3,000.
3,000 kilometres.
Well, 2,742. In a little bloody tuk-tuk.
Uber.
Which has been amazing. I know I sound like I'm moaning, I'm just messing.
It's been awesome. Just had enough.
Just getting frustrated now because my tolerance is getting so low for it. And I'm surprised there's not more accidents. I just cannot believe there's not.
However, someone came with their bike yesterday, but that was because there was a diesel spillage across the road, so...
This is what I mean, like, there's a truck driving down the road fleeking diesel out everywhere, and then all you could hear was cars blocking up and someone come off his bike. But no one, like, was slowing anyone down, no one was warning anybody, everyone just stands there and watches and waits for people to come off their bikes, and it's just so different. But it is an amazing experience. You get so much freedom.
We're at Kills to get snacks. Whenever we really want to Kills, we can never ever find one. And then whenever we've just eaten, we find one.
Because we love a Kills.
Do you like their snacks?
Their buns, their burger, all their little sausage buns and things are really good and really good value. And I'm going to get a cold Coke.
Gonna get some buns and some Coke and some deodorant.
She stinks.
Probably. Why not?
She stinks. You can smell it wafting around the front of the tuk-tuk.
She's wearing clean clothes. But yeah. Bentota. arrived at Bentota Homestead, our home for the next 2 evenings. Run by a really lovely family, really lovely little family. We've got our own little balcony up here. I wish I got the GoPro sooner because it was the biggest iguana. This is our room. It's actually one of the cleanest, best conditioned rooms we've had for a while. Super lovely family. From what I gather, it's mum, dad, and 2 daughters, and maybe a little son. Yeah, they came up with tea. They came up with a menu. They came up with Wi-Fi. They're so lovely. So we're gonna eat here tonight because they do rice and curry. Like I said, we've been really disappointed with the food recently in the more touristy places. So really excited. We're gonna have a veggie rice and curry for 500 rupees each. This is actually really nice to get a decent price. They also help arrange trips and things, and we keep forgetting to look into turtle sanctuaries, and there's one nearby that I think they booked for us. Something could have been lost in translation, but they're going to see if they can book for us to do that tomorrow. 2,500 for 2 people, which is really well priced, and it would be awesome to do that before we go. So yeah, our 1 night here is already changed to 2 just for the sheer fact we love where we're staying and the family that run it.
Yo, am I doing the talking today?
Yeah.
We are leaving our guest house and we are heading to the beach. We'll show you that. We went there yesterday, and there's probably like 4 tourists and just full of locals, so it was actually quite nice. Yeah, let's see what it's like today. I don't know if it was just because I don't know, it's like a day off for people here, I'm not sure. But at least we kind of know where we're walking now. We have to walk over train tracks, which seems crazy in our western head, but here it's completely normal. And there's a restaurant we went into and got a drink, and the main entrance is literally you've got to walk over the train tracks. It's crazy.
Oh, it's much quieter than yesterday.
In the middle. We can either go over the bridge, you might as well, or go down there across the train tracks. We'll go over the bridge.
So you walk down there and there's a row of shops and restaurants that you have to cross the train track to get to. This is Bentota Beach. It's really lovely. The kids playground here. It's a really good ice cream place. It's one of the very few ice cream places we've seen in whole of Lanka. Isn't it beautiful? Just can't get over how big this beach is. This beach is huge. It's the biggest beach you've seen in the whole of Sri Lanka. It's the flattest beach we've seen in the whole of Sri Lanka. And it's the only beach that hasn't got a million restaurants along the front. That surfboard says, "Live the life you've always imagined and let the sunshine light your soul." That's cute.
It was full moon day yesterday, that's why there was a lot more people there.
Ah, we knew there was a religious reason behind it.